One of the most common questions I'm asked is how to make a child write long answers. I know it's not easy, especially for children who dislike writing. Hi, this is Balasaraswathy. I'm an LD Remedial Coach and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 parents overcome learning problems of their child, and that is through coaching teachers. So the more number of teachers I coach, they are able to help more and more and more children. So coming to the point of how do you make a child write long answers? First of all, we need to know whether the child can remember the answers, because they can write only if they can remember. If they cannot remember, you have to go back to do they understand. If they don't understand, then you have to go to can they read. So the reading is okay, comprehension is okay, understanding is okay, and memory is okay. If all this is doing well, that means the child is able to answer everything orally. So till that, memory is okay. Now the child is not able to write, especially teenage where they have big answers to do. So there are lots of mind maps you can use. It's a very fantastic tool, mind map. You can use these mind maps on a daily basis. See, suddenly during exam you cannot expect the child to start writing. So you have to do it on a daily basis. So when you're doing a chapter, or you're doing a part of a chapter, you're doing a question answer, don't expect the child to write questions and answers and questions and answers. It doesn't work. So if it is a paragraph answer, they'll finish it in one line. What works better, I've seen, are different kinds of mind maps where the pictures on the mind map, the child sees and he or she likes to fill the content in the mind map. This way, this practice of writing daily, every question in a form of mind map, develops the neurological process of writing. So the dislike towards writing actually shifts to ability to reproduce the information. The step 2 after that is to shift from this. Once they find success here, then they write the long answers. Also, as we teach, we have to give reminder to the child that this is a very important part which can be asked in the exam, or highlight those lines when you are teaching, whether it is online, offline. So the child is seeing that highlighted statement sentences over and over again. Plus, they also don't like to write because the spellings have a problem. So when you are teaching, you have to make sure even the spelling part is correct. Otherwise, you need to give the child special training how to remember spellings. So it's a very step-by-step process, and everything can be achieved because we've done it for so many children in our school. And also now we are doing it in the offline mode, on the online mode, helping so many teenage children to write better. So it's very, very much possible when you follow a step-by-step method. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. If you're a parent who is watching this and your child is struggling, in the description box there is a link. You can come and join our Find a Tutor program where we'll help you to find a tutor for you. And if you're a teacher who's very keen on helping such children interested to learn, then you can come and join our course in which we teach all these techniques, and you will be able to help children across the globe. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video to somebody who needs it. Thank you. Bye-bye.